Hello and welcome to another unboxing experience review. Today we are taking a look at the the Corsair Carbide 200R. And once again I am armed with a knife so that this will be a smooth experience. And we'll get right to it. Let's see what they have in stock here. That was fairly easy. This is a computer case, by the way, in case you didn't know. Yeah, terrible, I know. Okay, speaking of terrible, there's some tape that I need to deal with. There. And I will put the knife aside for now because I don't think I'm gonna need it. So what do? I need to flip everything on its side and get it out this way. There we go. Here is the actual case. I think this is the back. Yes. This is the back. And no, this is the back. And this is the front. So what we're seeing here is the underside. So we have to get rid of this piece of foam, and this I think is, yes, this is the top, and here we have the front. Nice. So there you have it, guys. Here is the complete case. Yeah, it's a nice piece of hardware. You can even mount fans and stuff in the bottom here. So fairly straightforward. I would give it a 6 out of 10 because it's a no fuss unboxing. And like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends about the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.